Hi everyone, I welcome you to this short training video. In this video, you are going to see the step-by-step procedures you need to follow to get your certificate of participation for free. As you know, this is hosted by GMAX in conjunction with GrowthEq. So in this video, we are going to show you how you can generate your certificate of participation for free. So the first step you need to take is that you have to drop your email address on the GrowthEq group during the program. That is, during the program or during the event, you need to drop your email address on the GrowthEq Telegram community group. The reason why we made it this way is that so that we can monitor the people that actually attend the program, and so that we'll be able to track the usage of the coupon by the people that attend the program. And we also do this to prevent people that do not attend the program from accessing the coupon code. So please make sure as you are watching this video, go to the Telegram group now and drop your email address. Our admins are going to check them and they are going to gather everything together. Alright guys, so the second step is that you need to go to the GMAX Learn website, and you do that by typing www.learn.gmaxlearn.com on either your PC or on your phone. So learn.gmaxlearn.com. Okay, so this is the GMAX Learn website, learn.gmaxlearn.com. Then you go ahead to register your account. If you are a new person, you go ahead to register your account. If you have an account on GMAX Learn platform before, you just click on login. But since this is for the purpose of tutorial, I'm going to try and register another account on the GMAX Learn website. So I'll click on register, then I'll fill the details that are here. Sign up for our newsletter. Then you click on I accept the terms of service. Then you click on sign up. So after you have signed up on the website, I will proceed with the third step that you need to do. Alright, welcome back guys. So the next step that we need to take in order to claim our free certificate is that we click on the profile like it was displayed earlier. You click on the profile, go to your profile, edit it and put your display name as you want it to appear on your certificate. So you put your name as you want it to appear on your certificate. So let's do that. We are still on the GMAX Learn website now. We are logged into the profile that we just the account that we just created. So we click on the profile, then go to edit profile, then you click it. So now this is the edit profile, and under edit profile we have 4 tabs. We have general, we have avatar, we have password, and there's privacy. So we go to general. Then from general you see that the first name is blank, the last name is blank, and the display name is blank. So you put your first name, you put your last name, and you put your display name. Please take note, the display name is very, very important because that is how your name is going to appear on the certificate. So the first name, let me put John. Then the last name, let me put Peter. So the display name now, I'm going to change it to how I want my name to appear on my certificate. So I will click John, I will change it to John Peter. Then after I'm done with that, I will come down. You will see a box that says save changes. So you click that to save the changes that you just made. Okay, so the next step we need to take is that we have to enroll for the event course on the GMAX Learn website. After editing our profile, then we go back to the home page. You can click on this logo to take you to the home page, or you can just browse courses. But let me click this logo to take me back to the home page, which is learn.gmaxent.com. So at the home page, you will see the course that you want to enroll for, which is stated as free. In this case, I'm using this GrowthEq event course, which says Mastering Finance Strategies for Wealth Creation and Investment. GrowthEq from GMAX Learn. So I will click on the course. When I click on the course, let's see what it's going to bring to me. So after clicking the course, it's going to show a page where you can now start the course. You can click on Start Now. Or if you don't want to do that, you can easily come to Browse Courses. Then you click under the category of GrowthEq, click it. Then it's going to take you to the course, because the course you want to enroll for is under the GrowthEq category. So this is under GrowthEq category. Then you just click on the course. Then after clicking on the course, then you click on Start Now. Since it's going to be made free for you, you are going to click on Start Now. So it's still loading. Okay, so now I've successfully enrolled for the event course, and then like we showed in the video, it was said that an email will be sent to you, and you can see the pop-up here. An email has already been sent to this email address showing that I've subscribed for this course, I've enrolled for this course. So let me check the email and see. So you can see now the email is here. You can see that. So when I click on this, you see congrats, you have enrolled the course Mastering Finance Strategies for Wealth Creation and Investment. So since you've attended the program, you just go ahead and click on complete course. So if you did not attend the program, or you want to go over the program all over again, you can click on the play button. You can click on the play button and it's going to play the event for you live and direct. You can also put it in full screen mode, and you can remove it from the full screen mode. So but since you've attended the program, the next thing you need to do is to click on the complete button. So a pop-up will show to you that says, do you want to complete the lesson video session recording Mastering Finance Strategies for Wealth Creation and Investment? Then you click on yes. Now after clicking on yes, you want to complete the course. You see a pop-up was shown here that says, congrats, you have completed the video recording mastering course. So the next thing you want to do is to click on finish course. So you click on that. Do you want to finish the course Mastering Finance Strategies for Wealth Creation and Investment? Then you click on yes. Then after clicking on yes, you want to finish the course, another mail will be sent to you indicating the fact that you have finished the course. We can see now. So this is the mail that was sent to me because I click on complete. You have finished the course. Congrats, you have finished the course Mastering Finance Strategies for Wealth Creation and Investment. You achieve 100 of course and your grade is passed. So this mail was sent to me because I finished this course. So after finishing the course, we are going to look at the next step on how you can claim the certificate. Okay, so after completing the course, you can check your certificate in two ways. You can click after completing the course. It's going to redirect you to this particular page, which is going to show you add certificate to cart. So you can add your certificate to your cart by clicking this button, or you come to your profile here and click on my certificate. You can click add certificate to cart here, or you come here and then you click on my certificate. But let me click on add certificate to cart. So after adding the certificate to cart, it's going to redirect us to the checkout page where we are going to take the final step. So this is the checkout page. Then they will ask for your billing details. So make sure you fill all those correctly. You put your first name. So in this case, we put, let's say, John, then Peter as the last name. Then the email address, you make sure that you double check the email address to be sure that it is the one that you used to register your account when you were doing the registration, and it was the one that you dropped during the event webinar. If you don't do this, the coupon code is not going to work for you. So it's very important that you double check the details very well, and then you put your phone number 081-2222-2222. All right, then it will show you an order here, certificate GrowthEq, which is showing a particular price here. Then you are going to see something here on top. They said have a coupon, click here to enter your code. So if you don't use a coupon, possibly you are going to pay for the certificate, but because you attended the program, we are going to give you a coupon that you can use to check out here. So in this place that says have a coupon, click here to enter code. So you click the button and then you enter the coupon code that will be given to you. So in this case, I'm going to enter a coupon code. I'm going to enter a coupon code here, GMAX tutorial. Then I'll click on apply coupon. Let's see if that works. So coupon code applied successfully. So you can see now, after applying the coupon code, the subtotal is 1,000 naira, but because of the coupon code, it has been deducted. So I have to pay 0 naira now to claim my certificate. So all I just need to do now is to click on I have read and agree to the website terms and conditions. And after that, I will click on place order. So after placing my order, it's going to show me a message. It's going to show me a message that thank you, your order has been received, and the rest of the details will be written down here. Then a mail will be sent to you confirming the fact that you have your order has been received. So you see here, we can see that the mail has been sent to me. Thank you for your order. Hi John, just to let you know we received your order and it's now being processed. So you can see the order details here. This is the first mail that is going to confirm that you have ordered for the certificate. Then another email will be sent to you showing that your order has been completed. This is the first mail showing that your order has been received for the certificate. But you also need to wait for the second email that is going to tell us that our order has been completed. Otherwise, if we go here, let's try and go to our profile and see whether we can check the certificate. If we try to go and check the certificate, we'll discover that, you see, it's still showing us that we should add it to the cart. So after receiving this first email, you have to wait between minutes to 24 hours maximum. The second mail, you will receive the second mail stating that your order has been completed. If you don't receive the second mail after 24 hours, please do write an email to our support team at support@gmaxent.com, support@gmaxent.com, stating that you've ordered for the certificate and you've used your coupon code and the order has not been completed, and our IT team are going to work on that. So let's see if we are going to receive the email maybe within minutes. Let's see if we are going to receive the email. Alright guys, I've received the second email stating that my order has been completed. So let me check it. You see, this is another email, this was the first one, your GMAX Learn order has been received. But this final one, your GMAX Learn order is now complete. So when you receive this email, you can now go to your profile and check your certificate. See, thanks for enrolling for our course. Hi John, we have finished processing your order. So this is the second email and the most important email that you need to receive before you can access your certificate. You can see that this one was, I received the first email at about 12:48, and 3 minutes later I received the second email. So like I said, you are going to receive the second email within minutes, from minutes to maximum of 24 hours after you've made your order. If you don't receive it within this time frame, please write email to us, support@gmaxlearn.com, and we are going to work on it. So let me go back and check my profile now. Let me check. So this is my profile. Now if I refresh, so when I refresh now, you see it has shown my certificate for me. So if you just click on it, it's going to display your certificate for you. So you see, this is the certificate for the event, which says certificate of participation. This is to certify that John Peter. Then you can see the certificate. Then if I want to download it, I can easily click on this button here, and it's going to download the certificate for me easily. You see, it has downloaded it. And if I want to share it, I can share it on Facebook, I can share it to Twitter, just to show people that have already enrolled for the event. So you see, this is the PDF. This is the PDF that is downloaded for the certificate. So this is how you can get your certificate for free. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us. And like I said earlier, if after getting your first email stating that your order has been received, maximum of 24 hours, if you don't receive the second email, please write email to us at support@gmaxlearn.com, and we are going to work on it. Please, I also want to say that you should take note of the coupon code that will be mentioned during the event, and you should also take note of the expiring date that will be given. All this will be provided in the event. You know, the one that I use for this training has been made specifically for the purpose of this training, which was GMAX tutorial. But another one will be given to you during the event. The name of the coupon, or let me say the coupon code, will be given to you. Also, the expiring date will be given to you. So if you are given a coupon code and it is stated that it's going to expire maybe in 2 days time, in 3 days time, in 1 week time, please make sure you use the coupon code before that time. And like I said, when I wanted to start this training, also make sure you drop your email address during the program. If not, you will not be able to access or use this coupon code. Like the training that I just did now, the person, the coupon code that I just used, if I give it to another person, or if another person has access to it and then the person rush and go and use it on his or her account on GMAX Learn, it's going to be rejected at the checkout page because the person did not attend the live program. So this is one of the things that you also benefit from because you attended the live event. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.